So today's speech will be unconventional because it will be about programs that I wrote Sacred Keo, and the programs that were written by artificial intelligence or large language models in order to fulfill my dreams. So in this set, first things first, I would like to introduce you to the virtue assessment application, virtue signaling, which is basically an elongation of an idea of Benjamin Franklin, his method for self-improvement, but improved by Roman values. And this is the whole manual, the instruction. Secondly, I will present, as we know, Gematria. Gematria was a Pythagorean invention, a Hellenic invention. So I will also go into this program. And at the very last, a novelty, Pythagorean Gematria, but in Nordic geometric systems. We need to have a library to use a gematria, right? So I used the Norse English dictionary in the septimal system. Now let me focus on the programs themselves. So, beware, beware. Okay, first we'll focus on the Futhorc. The English Norse is extracted from a dictionary that I used in the past, and it is rewritten into a CSV file. So we can load it at will. When we launch the program, we load the dictionary, and we can enter an English word that we want to translate into Norse, or a Norse word, for example, hammer, which means abode, skin. I wonder why hamramer meant strength through conquest. And we may also enter a numerical value, let's say 23. And it takes us to accuse, advice, all amount, so on, so on, so on, so on. And we may cross-check it. Spell. Enter English word. Seidr. Spell. Seidr. 23. So it's a useful tool. We may also find what the Norse people call a god, and from which stems the Esir. Let's see. And it is As, Esir. Isopsephy 11. So on, so on. So that's the demonstration of the English Old Norse Isopsephy calculator. Then we move on to Greek Gematria, which is a bit more complex. The README file is provided, in which we select the Attic dictionary words and then definitions. So for example, we may discover, if we want to find what is Therion. Therion is a Pythagorean transcription of 237. We may also cross-verify it and find the definitions of these words. So 237, Brikekekes, the croaking of frogs, of womanish mind, Telenos, and so on and so on. Teseitai, sons of Theseus, to unleash the power of true Pythagorean Gematria. Now, next one, the one that I favor most and use the least. Virtues. So what's this program about? It's a daily assessment program. For example, you decide which virtues that fit most, and if you're an intelligent person, you can decide which one you can design or derive from your life. For example, auctoritas. I wasn't much of an authority today. Comitas. I was ill-humored. Clementia, mercy, well, I was angry. Dignitas, oh yes, 5. And here you can write comments. I felt a strong sense of self-derived pride, and so on and so on. Then you can save the data. It saves it in the CSV file daily. You can show monthly statistics. Here there is nothing because there's no data. You can open a memoir So you can select the day or data, and you have your scores from the given day and the information. The information is provided only for dignitas here. So every day you may assess yourself and think through Aristotelian recapitulation, what did I go through today? So I think this is a simple explanation of those very useful programs, and you may find them on GitHub. You may download them. The only running environment that it requires is Python. I think 3.6, yeah, 3.6 plus, with some libraries. The libraries are enlisted, the ones that you need to use these programs. So that is so. Have fun. Thank you.